Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Well dear viewers, I hope you have fun. Today I want to share what I'm eating for my lunch when it's fall time. My sandwich looks like a smiley face. Cream cheese, on top I have apricot jam, some pecans, I have one kiwi and a couple of corn sticks, a jasmine tea with pieces of fresh organic cucumber, and I have my fall decor for it to remind me that it's already pumpkin time coming by.
So let's go and do some shopping for decorative pillows and wreaths at the Target first, then at Costco. Let's see what they have. Even if I don't buy anything today, at least I will get some inspiration and then get motivated to make the wreath of my own.
Today I'm at Target and let's see what they have for the full season of
2022.
Let's go and check. Starting from their baskets and pillows and different types of blankets, all of them have fall seasony colors. Look at this pomegranate branch, is very cute. Berries, even cat eyes.
Well, I couldn't pass by this cute set without taking a picture of it for you. Now we'll start looking at different designs and different colors of the Target wreaths. They are very, very different, and you may get inspired and start making your own wreath if you haven't made it yet for this year's Thanksgiving. It's very easy to go to Dollar Tree or to go outside and grab whatever is on the ground and make your own wreaths. And wow, $49.99 for the wreaths. I guess my next video is gonna be about DIYing a full wreath. I'm not sure if we have done it on my channel, but for sure we'll do one. Why to waste $11 plus tax on these decorative pillows when you may DIY? Today I will share with you my own DIY pillows for fall of 2022. Let's go. After shopping around for some mini pumpkins and corns at our local grocery store, I headed to 99cents only store and played around with some faux flowers and decorations. Then got home. And here we go. My pillows for 2022. Yep, if you remember, I had those two pillows with the lights that I got from 99cents only stores. And this one and that one I got this year. Actually, I bought just the placemats, and by sewing them together, two placemats sewing together, I'm getting a pillow. And look at this. You may put it like that, or you may use this side, which is also for Thanksgiving. I didn't even remove the tag, so I can show you that I got it from 99cents only stores. Look at that. $5.99 was the pillow from last year. What is that? LED pillow. Yeah, the LED pillow is inside, by the way. That's the winter pillow. And then when the winter comes, I'll remove the pillowcase and I will have my winter pillow. There we go. Two pillows with two sides. This one is for Thanksgiving, as you can see. And the other one is for just the fall season. And by the way, I got another one here. I have two of these. And the other side is another give thanks and pumpkin. I can use both sides. Just because I have two armchairs, I'm using two of these pillows for my armchairs. And here is my DIY coffee table with a clock and the decor that I came up with. Four pumpkins, mini pumpkins, a candle, kind of like apples and different types of fruits in the bottom. I got three popcorny corns. Popcorny corns. Have you ever heard such an expression? One, red one, two, and yellow and brown, three. And my plant, my favorite plant. Hopefully it grows and becomes a large one by next year. I keep buying it, and as soon as I bring it home from the nursery, it's kind of started fading, fainting, all kinds of stuff happens to them, and they stop growing. I don't know why. Anybody has an idea why it keeps dying? This year I'm gonna take a good care of it so it remains till next year. Well, hope you like my DIY idea about the pillows. Instead of going and spending $30 at Costco and buying pillows, decorative ones, just go to 99cents store, buy two different types of placemats, and by sewing two together, you are getting one pillowcase. And as you saw, I didn't close this side because I was squeezing the winter pillow inside, the one that I had since last year's Christmas. Thanks for commenting and sharing this video, and see you in my next video, which is gonna be an interesting one. Stay well and happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Bye bye, my friends.